spooky than a motherfucker. If you think you can pull up to the grocery store, buy some veggie oil, hemp seed oil, drain out the fossil fuel from the dinosaur meat, and then pour the veggie oil in the engine, and then you go keep riding around and you think it's not gonna end in disaster. I'm telling you, I can't make this shit up. A nigga literally made a Dr. Sebi engine. You heard me? Use a jive turkey if you follow the recipe for the Dr. Sebi vegetarian engine. You gonna save the planet. Yeah. Just went against all science. Then you're gonna take the very car that you gotta transport yourself to work to make a living, and you gonna drain the beef out and put veggie oil, hemp seed oil in the engine. You ought to go get your head examined. The conscious community is definitely